Welcome back to the channel, guys. I wanted to talk to you today about Vauhti Varikko and Performance by Sercap. Hopefully I'm not butchering those names. I'm trying my best. But guys, them guys are bringing the CFMOTO world a lot of stuff here in the USA. They are actually over in Finland, so they're a good ways away, and they've had all this stuff, clutch kits, helixes, performance intakes. They make all this stuff, and they have had it for a long time. They have paired up with Main Street Cycle to bring us all of this stuff, and that is super awesome. Main Street Cycle is the exclusive dealer, and I wanted to do this video because I get a lot of people asking, where can I get this stuff from? Well, you gotta listen to me, because only the clutch kits are available right now, which is for everybody. They can get you clutch kits for everybody. And if you want the CFMOTO 800 Z-Force or U-Force clutch kits, I actually sent them my stage write-up for them to help you. And I know they don't have rollers or anything in stock, but they do have the stage 2 spring and the helixes. Now, everybody is getting some tunes. They have tunes for every CFMOTO machine that there is. So I've been having a lot of people ask me about that. They do have every tune for every machine. But it's all coming to Main Street Cycle, and when Main Street Cycle is ready to start selling those tunes, I will let you know, guys. I will let you know. So no worries there. It's all coming. Just got to be patient. This stuff takes a lot of time and a lot of knowledge to be able to do for everybody, and there's some things that just take time. So definitely sit tight and keep watching the channel. If you're new to the channel, check out my other videos where I'm testing these clutch kits, and it's pretty awesome. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Bang on. Now they're making these custom intakes. This one here particularly is for the 800XC, and I do believe they got one for the CForce 1000. Don't hold me to it, but I'm pretty sure he did tell me that they did. And I'm helping him design one for the Z-Force 800 guys. So the Z-Force 800 guys, we got an intake coming. It's being flow tested and everything right now. I can't show you anything because I don't have anything to show you on that, but it's real similar to this one. It's just designed a little bit differently and whatnot. So guys, I wanted to thank you for tuning in. If you can, get over there to Vauhti Varikko's page and get over to Performance by Sercap's page on Facebook. Like I said, they're in Finland. They do have some English stuff on there. But just throw them a big thumbs up, and if you can do the same to Main Street Cycle and even my page, R.N.G, Redneck Garage, but it's R.N.G capitals on Facebook. Get over there, throw us all some likes. Let's get the name out there, and let's support these guys for what they do, because they're going above and beyond by sending this stuff across the ocean. So, peace out. God bless. I hope you like this one. I'm going to put some stuff out on the end of the right here. For those of you who didn't see it, check it out. Peace out. We'll see you in the next one.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo. Go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, know, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before.
Okay.